Hey squids. Okay, we're going to do our last one, which is the line chart. And so you again go to sheet one and you start in A9. Now you'll notice that I've already typed it in because there was a lot of data and I'm sure you didn't want to just sit here and watch me type. But also you can't see the whole thing here. So I'm going to show you how to make the column bigger. You go up here to A and you drag it over. Now I can read everything. Okay, so select all the prices. So we're going to start here with the prices. This is the high and low stock prices. So we're going to here and shift. All right, select all the prices and click the $ button to format as currency. So we're going to go up here like this to this $ to format as currency. Cool. I didn't have to type in all the $signs. Great. Now I'm going to select the cells A9 to C14. There we go. And I'm going to do my little chart. Sorry about my dogs barking. And then I have this crazy bar chart that I don't want because I want a line chart. So I'm going to go over here and I am going to select line chart. Great. Then I have to add some data labels, right? So I go over to customize, series, data labels. Nice. Okay. Now I'm going to change the chart title to, what is it? Cell phone carrier stocks, highs, lows. I know I forgot the 52-week, but I don't want to write that. Okay. And then let's look at it. Okay. Does it really make sense? Yes, because I have a graph here that's the highs. And I have another line that is the lows. So this graph does make sense. I did do it correctly. One thing I didn't show you in the other videos is to stop and look at your graph to make sure it makes sense. Okay, then I'm going to move it to its own sheet. I'm going to call it line chart. I'm just going to type line chart. We understand. Okay, now it says on the last page to edit a chart. All of the charts are called embedded charts. Embedded means it's created in the spreadsheet. So you can actually column chart. If we go to the column chart here, all right. Notice this is 1 minute and Instagram is 15 minutes. But if I notice, see what it looks like? But look, if I go to sheet one and I change that data, maybe the person is doing a lot more time. They're going to spend 15 minutes on Twitter, okay? And then in B4, they're going to spend 20 minutes on Instagram, okay? And now, great, now go to that column chart. Look, it's different. Isn't that cool? So you can see that it is very easy to modify stuff in Google Sheets. All right, so that's it, and I hope you learned a lot. I think this was a really good thing for you guys to know. Okay, bye.